Please all participants open RStudio, import ficus file and type done. Import ficus file. Select file from your working directory which you have created in yesterday class. Sam, have you done? Sam, please let me
Yes,
know. Okay.
yes,
Please.
I've done.
Okay. So please, when you done, you need to type done so that I can move to next step. Okay. Now we have done a step how to import Excel file. Now in our today class, we will work on some basic plots. Now we have a file. For example, your supervisor say draw a point plot in R. Today we will draw plot, but our main objective of today class is reading, writing, editing, and error, reading, and solving. Today class objective is reading, writing, editing, error reading, and error resolving. Because R is the programming language, and each and every language have vocabulary and grammar. So to become an expert, we need to start from zero, from reading and writing. So when you want to learn any language, first step, you need to know the reading and writing of this language. So today we will work on reading and writing of language, but we will do practice for a point plot. So today task is point plot. When your supervisor gives you a task for statistical analysis in R, two questions should be arised in your mind. Question number one. When you want to perform any task or your supervisor gives you a task, you need to ask these two questions for every time. Question number one is, which package will be used for point graph? Which package will be used for point plot or simple graph? First, you need to find the answer of this question. Similarly, in our yesterday class, our task was import Excel file in R. So their first question was, which package will be used to import file in R? Its answer was read Excel. So today we also need a package name or machine name to draw a plot. So for creating a plot, we need a package, we need a machine name ggplot2. We need a machine name ggplot2. This machine, this package, this tool will install, will draw plots in R. So it was the first question. No, second question should be arise in your mind. Is it available or not? Is this package available or not? Is this package is available or not? Your answer may be yes, or your answer may be no. So we need to find the answer of these two questions. The first question, which package will be used? For graph, its answer is we can use ggplot2 for package. Second question, is this package available or not? Second package is this second question, is this package available or not? Our answer may be yes or no. So here we need to find we have this machine or not in our R programming. So for this, you will come on screen number 4, click on packages button. Click on packages button and here is a search bar and search here ggplot2. I have ggplot2. So my answer is yes. My answer is yes. If you don't have ggplot2 in screen number 4, your answer will be no. So please all participants confirm your answer is yes or no. Dauda, please also confirm your answer is yes or no. Okay. If your answer is no, if your answer is no, come on screen number 1, your answer is no, then you need to install ggplot, install this package. So for installation, please come on screen number 4, click on packages button. It will show you two buttons, install and update. Click on install. It will show you an application form. Just type here ggplot2. Select this one. Select ggplot2 and click on install button. It will take few seconds or minutes for installation. So please all participants install this tool and type done within Zoom chat. Okay, now I have installed successfully. Now my answer is done. So please all participants install this tool and type installed. If you are facing an issue, please let me know. I will resolve your issue. Okay, thank you. After installation, you need again confirm from screen number 4. You have this tool. Click on screen number 4, packages button and again search ggplot2. No, my answer is yes. Hope your answer will be yes. Okay, now we have this tool. Now next step is turn on this machine. It's mean we want to do library or activate this package or turn on this machine. So next step is if your answer is yes, then do library. Now type here library, LIBR, it will give you suggestion. Select library from suggestion and type here ggplot2 and run. It will show you a tick mark in screen number 4 with ggplot2 and same line will appear in screen number 2. Now we have data and tool. We have two things for creating a point plot or any plot. First, we need data. Second, we need tool, or you can say we need package. We need package. But before moving to next step, there is another term which you need to know is function. So now we have two terms. First is package. Second is function. Now what is the difference between package and function? Package actually a machine. Package is a machine. And the machine and the work which you can done by using this machine, which you can by using this machine is known as its function. So function means its task, its work. I want to give a simple example. For example, mobile phone is a package. Mobile phone is a package. And work which you can done by using your mobile phone is its function. For example, you can calculate. Calculator is its function. Okay, and Dauda just type library anywhere and type run. Yes, here is the library. You can type anywhere, any line, library ggplot2 and run this line. Okay, so package is the machine tool, mobile phone. I am typing here mobile phone. Mobile phone is a package and the function and the work which you can done by using your mobile phone are known as its function. You can make a call, you can take picture, you can play games, you can watch time. So mobile can perform lot of function. It means mobile is a multifunctional machine, multifunctional package. Similarly in R, packages are multifunctional. So we have a package ggplot2. Now here I also want to give an example. If your supervisor say, for example, you have a mobile phone. Here is your mobile phone. And your supervisor say, please make a call. Then you need to open dialer. If your supervisor say, make a call, you need to open dialer. If your supervisor say, please take a picture, you need to click on camera button. If your supervisor say, please uh, send me a image or WhatsApp message, you need to open WhatsApp. If your supervisor say, please check map, you need to open map. So functions are different for each task. For calculation, you can use calculator. For call, you can use dialer. For pick, you can use camera. So camera, dialer, calculator, watch, all these are the functions. Similarly, ggplot2 is a package. ggplot2 is a package. And the work which you can done uh, by using ggplot2 are known as its functions. Similarly, our mobile phone, ggplot2 is also a multifunctional tool, multifunctional package, multifunctional machine. If you want to check the function of ggplot2, for example, we want to check the function of ggplot2, you need to come on screen number 4, click on packages button, search ggplot2 and find ggplot2. When you click on this button, ggplot2, it will show you a list of all available functions which you can perform by using ggplot2 package in R. Okay, please, all participants, click on this and go through. Just read all these packages and their functions. Okay, now please come on screen number 1. No, we want to perform graph. Now we have a package name ggplot2 and want to perform graph. So there is another question at this stage. Which function we will use? Which function of ggplot2 will be used for graph? Although lot of functions are available in screen number 4 of ggplot2. If you click on ggplot2, it will show you a list of all possible functions. But we want to make a plot, we want to create a plot. So we need a function for plot. Similarly, When your supervisor say, please take a picture, you need to open camera. If your supervisor say, please uh, do calculation, you need to open calculator. No, our supervisor is saying, please draw graph. So we need to open function which will help us for creating a graph or plot. So in ggplot2, with ggplot2, we have two functions for creating a plot. First name is qplot. You can use qplot for creating a plot. You can also use ggplot. Package name ggplot2. Function name qplot. We can use, for example, ggplot2 is your mobile phone and qplot is camera. ggplot2 is your mobile phone and ggplot2 is your calculator. So ggplot2 is package and these are its functions. If you check on list on screen number 4, here is a list of ggplot2. Here is ggplot2. Create a new ggplot. So this function will be used to create a plot. Similarly, there is another function named qplot. Yes, here is qplot. Qplot means quick plot. If you want to create a quick plot, you can use this function. So now what is the difference between qplot and ggplot? When you will use qplot and when you will use ggplot. When your supervisor say, please draw a rough plot, but quick, you need to use qplot. It will give you plot with low quality. You can use it for just your observation, not for publication, not for presentation, just for your own observations. Second, ggplot2. It's mean grammar of graphics. We will apply graphics for plot, for map, for point plot, or for graph. It will give us HD plot, high quality plot. So you can use this plot for publication as well as for presentation. Now we have two options for creating a plot, qplot and ggplot. We will uh, practice on both tools. So first I want to perform on qplot, but again moving to next step, we also need to explore some more things about map or about graph. Each and every graph have three components. Each and every graph have three components. For example, here is a graph. It have one axis, point. So each and every graph have three components. Number one, data. Plot have data. We already have data set named ficus. Second, we need mapping. Mapping mean defining of x and y axis. Mapping mean define x and y axis, which variable should be on x axis and which variable should be on y axis. And third component is geom. Geom mean type of graph. For example, we have dataset name ficus. We want to define x and y axis. And if you click on ficus file, it will show you multiple variables: petal width, petal length, sepal width, sepal length. petal width, petal length, sepal width, and sepal length and species. So we want to draw a plot between petal width and sepal width. I need, I need petal underscore width on x-axis and sepal underscore length on y-axis. So it is known as mapping. Mapping means defining of x and y-axis. Last term is geom. Geom in type of graph. For example, here is the point graph. You can also draw here line graph. You can also draw here bar graph. You can also draw here box plot. So geom mean type of graph. Geom mean type of graph. Now we have three things: data, mapping. In geom, we want to create a point plot. So it is a type of graph. If you want to create bar plot, you need to type here bar in geom. No, I am going to write a script. So when you want to write a script, first you need to do library of your package name because you need to turn on your machine, not function. For example, you want to take picture, you need to turn on your mobile phone. Your camera automatically turn on. When you want to do calculation, you need to turn on your mobile phone. Your calculator automatically turn on. So we need to do library, select library and type here ggplot2 and run. No, second step, we need function. So we want to use function qplot. First we will work on qplot. So type here qplot, qplot. Select this one. Please all participants type here qplot. It will give you suggestion. Select. Now here we need to define three things: data, mapping and geom. In first step, we will provide data. Type data, it will give you suggestion. Select first one, data equal, give your file name, ficus, again comma. Now we need to define x and y axis. We need to define mapping. X equal petal underscore length, comma, y equal sepal underscore length, uh, length, and on x equal petal width. It is known as mapping. This portion is mapping. Now we will define geom. Type here comma, type geom. When you type geom, it will give you suggestion. Select first one, geom equal, and give inverted comma. With an inverted comma, you need to type point. Give plot name here within inverted comma. Okay, please all participants type this code. Click anywhere in this line. Click anywhere in this line and press run button. It will give you plot. When you run this line, it will give you plot in screen number 4. But in my case, it is showing me error. So my answer is error. Please all participants run this line and Let me know you get a plot or error message. I am waiting for your reply. Sam and Daudo, please confirm me. No, Sam, you need to perform live. You need to perform this step live. I am sending this line, or you need to type. Please, all participants type and run. You have 5 minutes. You need to just type these two lines. I have selected. Please, Sam and Daudo, type these two lines and let me know. I am waiting for your reply. Okay. Okay, don't worry. I am also facing error. No, next step is first in first step we have write. We have write this line. No, we are going to read this line. This line show that we want to create a point plot by using ggplot function. Our data name is ficus and we want to place petal width on x-axis and sepal length on y-axis. Very easy sentence. No, but when we run this code, it will give us an error. As I get an error in geom point. When you get an error at basic stage, there may be three possible reasons or error message. First, you will get a message function. There will be a function name in space not found. Second, you may get an error object dash not found. Object dash not found. Third error you may get is unexpected symbol. Unexpected symbol. When you get an error, function not found, it's mean issue in package, issue in machine, issue in tool. When you get a message object not found, it's mean issue in data. If you get a unexpected symbol, it's mean you have used wrong symbol. You have used wrong symbol. No, please come on screen number 2. This is screen number 2. Now we are going to read error. So when you get an error, you need to focus on caused by error. This point is very important. Ignore above, also ignore below. you need to focus on caused by error. This is very important point. So please focus on caused by error. Here it is showing me object petal width not found. It's mean I am getting second message, second error, object not found. So my error is object. Please all participant read caused by error and let me know function not found or object not found or any other. In my case, it is showing me object petal width not found. Okay, good. Mudassar Munir, you are also getting same error. Dauda and Sam, please also let me know. Same as you are. Okay. It's mean there is a issue in our data set. There is a issue in data set. Now, how we resolve this issue? The error showing us the dataset name ficus don't have petal width. Object petal width not found. It's mean this variable name is not available in our dataset. So first you need to confirm petal width found in our dataset. Please all participants click on ficus file. It will show you preview. Here is first variable is petal width. We have petal width. Second step, you need to check spelling. Petal and petal width. You need to confirm spelling. Again, click on ficus file. Petal width, petal width, and petal width. Okay. Spelling are also okay. Now, third point, you need to confirm small and capital letters. Small and capital letter. In petal, P is small, but in our data set, if you check in data set, P is capital. So there is a issue. So give P capital, P is capital. Now run this code again, but it is again showing me an error, but no error is different. It's mean we have resolved our previous error, our previous issue. Now it is showing us sepal length not found. In our previous error, petal width not found. Now the issue is error is sepal length. So again, first we need to confirm sepal length is found in our data set. Open ficus file, confirm yes, sepal length is available in our data set. Again close, sepal length available. Second, you need to confirm spelling. SEPELLENGTH. Confirm spelling. Sepal length spellings are same. Then you need to confirm upper and lower case letter. Select sepal. S is small in our script, but in dataset S is capital. S is capital. So type capital S and run this line. When you run this line, it will give you plot. Now I get a plot. If you have done, please type plot or done. Okay. Now next step is Right click on this image. It will give you option save image as copy image. Click on copy image button. Copy image. Open WhatsApp group. Open WhatsApp group and share. Okay. No. If your supervisor say please uh, differentiate these points based on color. In our data set, we have three species. If you check your data set, in your data set there is a variable named species, and species have three group: S1, S2, and S3. S1, S2, and S3. We want to check these highest points. The highest point is at 8 number, near to 8, belong to S1, S2, or S3. This graph not showing us about this information. So we need to give color based on species. After point, add comma and type COL equal, type COL equal and species. S is capital in species, type capital S in species and run this line. It will give you a colorful plot showing S1, S2, S3. So the highest value points belong to S3, middle belong to S2, and S1 is at the bottom of this plot. Please copy this plot and share it within group. Okay. Now your supervisor say please draw a line plot. First plot was a point plot. Point. Now your supervisor say please draw line plot. Give heading, line, plot, and copy this complete script. Copy, paste here, and replace point with line because we want to create a line plot. So just you need to replace line with point, replace point with line, and again run this line. It will show you line plot. Copy image, open WhatsApp group and share. No, if you want to create smooth plot, again copy this code, paste here and replace line with smooth and run. It will give you a smooth plot. Now your supervisor say, please draw a box plot. So type box plot, copy this message, copy the script, paste here, and replace smooth with box plot and run. It will show you box plot. Davda, please share your screen. Again share. It is geom, not GEO. Line number 7. It is geom, GEOM, equal. Yes, add M, geom. Yes, select this one. First one, run this line. Yes, it's working. Also add geom with all. Line number 3, 5, and 7. There is geo in line number. Please click in this line. Okay, now replace smooth. Replace smooth. Okay, now run box plot. Okay. Okay, thank you. And in our next class, we will work on more plots and how to read, write, edit, and how to read and resolve errors. Okay, thank you. Allah Hafiz.